Hello, this is Group 5's final design for our online schooling app. And as you can see here in the middle, this is where most of the lecture material will be for that day and all the materials that the instructor might post for the student. And this is the home page where they can get to anywhere they need to on the entire site here. Now, the students can go to video settings over here and optionally switch between the video of the lecture and the lecture slides that are being posted then. And over here we have the lecture information, and this will be for the main points of that lecture and any other additional materials that the instructor might need the students to have. And they can also continue watching the video up here with this tab open. And at the bottom we have exercises. These are intended to be done during the lecture to keep the students involved with what's going on. And the polls here are used so that the instructor can get a better grasp on how well the students might be understanding something with a quick poll there. And over here on the left, the students have this area to take notes during the class, and each notes section will be dated and kept with the lecture that they pertain to, so the students will never have an issue again of losing their notes. And over on the right, we have the login information and chat bar. Now, the chat bar is used so that the students can communicate with other classmates. This could be helpful for group projects or homeworks and other things like that. Now, we know that students, especially younger students, can get distracted from communicating with other classmates during class. So in the Settings tab, we give the instructor the option to remove the chat bar, but it still will leave this section called Ask a Question. And this is used so the students can directly ask the instructor a question or anything they might need. And with the chat bar open, that's still available right here on the home page or any other page on the site at the bottom. And when the students click on the chat here, it expands, giving the students an easier way to read what's being posted here. And this has been enough rough overview of our design, and thank you very much.